light. That works. Turn signals. That turn signal. The high-low beam. Only one I didn't hook up, obviously, was the check engine light. I didn't think that through, but I'm gonna replace that with a fan symbol, so I know when the fans are coming on. I'll wire it in to where when the fans come on, that light will come on. That way I know they're working. But yeah, gauges are working fine. Now I gotta clean the car up, and I gotta go test drive it. Well, I'll probably wait and test drive it first. I gotta clean the car up, but it's working good so far.